Today's video is about how to install the Vivint smart home thermostat. My thermostat went out on my house. They sent me a new one and they're going to walk me through it. I've called Vivint. I've been on hold for over 13 minutes and I'm just waiting for them to come on the line so they can show me what to do here. First, just open it up. Take it out. Next thing you'll need to do is take this back off. Just put your finger in the hole, pull down and towards you. The batteries will need to go into the battery holes. And if it's already been hardwired to the wall, you won't need this extra piece. Okay, so I'm at the panel. I'm there. Three dots, got it. Okay, select software version. Then input the code. Okay. Smart home devices, got it. Z-Wave, got it. Rediscover failed node. I got replace failed node. Oh, I got it now. Yep. You gotta scroll down. I got it. Okay. Okay. You want me to click thermostat 1 now after I hit that? Oh, I got you. So it's saying 29% complete. So you just have to let it reboot. Gotcha. Okay. Assessing. It's assessing it now. Okay. Okay, so next is remove failed node. Got it. Okay. Yep. So I'm removing thermostat 1. Confirm removal. Sending a test message to the device. Okay. Do you want me to go back now? So we need to add the new thermostat. Okay. Add node. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go over to the thermostat. And is it supposed to be lit up, or do you want me to push the side button? Do you want me to push the side button? Hello? Yes, I can hear you. The thermostat is doing nothing. Nothing. It's not showing anything. Okay. I pushed it and it's showing the temperature 69 and the snowflake. I had already put it on the wall with the batteries in it. Do you want me to take it off the wall? Okay, so take it off the wall. Taking out the batteries. How long do you want me to wait before I put them back in? Okay, they're out. Okay, batteries are going back in. Okay, it says off 73.
Okay, that's a new thermostat, right?
What was the question? No, it says outside, humidity, and a house. Okay, I'll keep holding it till I see installer. Okay. Okay, I got it. So you want me to select installer?
Press down the button on your thermostat to start to install and press the side button to bring it up.
Got it. Okay. Factory reset. Okay. Okay. It says start at Vivint Sky. Yes. Yeah, it said start at Vivint Sky. Do you want me to go up or down, or? It says start at Vivint Sky, and then 2, it says it's connected, and then now it's doing circles. Okay. It says add node, operation failed.
Operation failed.
Uh huh.
You want to get back, like add them again,
Okay, add node.
and go to your thermostat.
Mm-hmm.
side button on the thermostat.
Okay, so side button is, it says failed on the thermostat.
Failed?
Yeah, do you want me to keep pushing the side button until it says something else?
No. Take it off. Let's take the thermostat off while we put the battery. Put the battery in and back on the wall.
So you don't want me to retry?
No.
Okay.
Take the battery out for a refresh and put the battery in. Number one and number two is also thing again.
Okay, now it did it. It says acquiring general mode, turning off inclusion mode. The panel beeped. It says,
Your panel call me in.
okay.
Number two on the panel on the thermostat.
No, it's saying determining multi-channel support right now.
Once you disable what pops up before you, just should be fine. Okay?
Okay, it popped up. So you want me to put downstairs?
Downstairs or upstairs?
This is downstairs. This is downstairs.
Okay. Goodbye. Enable the like once you hit enable stop on done,
Okay.
enable anti-theft.
Enable anti-theft. Okay. Okay, now it's back to the Z-Wave toolbox.
Okay. Go back on the main screen for me.
So go back. So home, you mean?
Press the side button.
Okay.
It's nice to wear a tank top. It's so hot outside. But I'm tan.
I'm seeing circles pulsating. Now it's saying set up heating.
Okay, so we got there.
Says next.
And apparently there was this beef they were having because Willa and Jessica both
Okay.
of a baguette and they put
Okay.
a baguette because it
Got forced air.
was gay pride and
Okay.
it was overly That's what it was called.
Natural gas.
He made it called baguette because it was
Okay.
gay. So they posted that and people came after them.
Stage one. Got it. Done.
Person went after them and was telling them like, you guys are
Cool setup.
stupid, like you guys are so ignorant. And literally,
Air conditioning.
there were 3 people that were like, Willa and Claire, you guys are homosexuals. And
Stage
then
one.
The rest of the school was like, don't go after them, they're not homosexuals.
And done.
You need to get over it, this is not a problem. Like, everyone-
Select mode.
But like, there was 3 people that were against him, and then there was like 13 people that were like,
Okay.
you don't, like, they were joking.
Got it.
Don't do that, you know? It was so funny.
Okay.
But yeah, so people were coming after them, and then we went and got chips, and come here, Kirby. I think Kirby's back is hurting.
It's changing to cool. Okay, I set it down to 74.
Because he won't go up on me. Well, I mean, he hasn't been like he just won't, he's not as willing to do it, so he's and then when he does,
Okay.
he goes right back down. It's sad. He's acting all stiff. You can kind of just tell.
Now, if I change it on the home panel, shouldn't it change on the thermostat?
What's it towards back? What? What's his name? Yeah.
All right, I changed it to 71 on the home panel, and it went back to 74 on its own.
Wait, what's his name? What did we see him in? Other than this?
Yeah, I went back up to 74. Now I changed it on the thermostat to 72, and I walked over to the home panel, and it is still at 74 on the home panel. Okay, so after that didn't work, they're doing a factory reboot on my panel, and they'll be giving me a call back in about 10 minutes. So that was 15 minutes on hold the first time, 15 minutes on hold the second time. Then they'll call me back in 10 minutes.